Anyhow, what is it, to get back to the point, what is it about the method that people should know if they're in the field trying to help? What is it about the theory that people should know if they're interested in this to try to understand? So between helping and understanding, the method brings a lot, the theory brings a lot. And I want to boil it down to the most important things. And one of the most important things in the realm of explaining addiction, inspiring people, I talked about that, about addiction. So the method and how to help, and the theory and how to explain and understand, is the discussion about dependency. And I was alluding to that earlier. Psychological dependency. Is it a disease? Well, let's forget that issue for a moment and just say it clearly is a matter of a psychological dependency. I must do this behavior. I crave the outcome of this behavior. I feel compelled. There's a compulsivity to it. I need, I'm dependent on my drug or my behavior. We have to be able to explain that. Or we can't say we understand the phenomenon. If you can't explain dependency, compulsiveness, and then what I will discuss under the category trance, you can't explain addiction. And if you can explain that, and you can explain it in a kind of useful way, supportive of intervening, like this tells us something about it that allows us to do something about it, so knowledge is power, I can take action, then I think the Lupin's method, and I think the physics of emotioning as a theory, has a tremendous amount to contribute here. Tremendous amount to contribute. Could revolutionize the way we look at this. Dependency, put it up on the board there. And what was the nature of our dependency when it had us by the balls, when it had a grip on us that we couldn't get out from under? So you can understand the intention of people saying it's a disease because it's crazy behavior. It's hard to explain, hard to otherwise explain or understand. And so how did this happen? And this was like a regular person before they fell down the rabbit hole. So, explain it to me. And so disease, like that kind of jumps out. Maybe it's a disease. And it's worth considering. I considered it for a minute, discarded it, but it was worth considering. And the reason I discarded it, multiple reasons. One of the reasons is it doesn't cover the fact pattern. Let's look at the actual behavior of addicts and what addicts say about their behavior. And disease doesn't cover that territory. Think about the pivotal moments in your recovery. Something shifts inside, and maybe you acknowledge it with a verbal statement, but it doesn't shift because you make the statement. I'm different today because of what just happened, or what I just saw, or what I just came to know. I'm different. Well, did they get committed that day? Was it a rock bottom experience? And it's different for everybody.